Hi friends, it's your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber, Carolina Moore, here with another fun notion. This is the Hera Marker, and I'm so excited to share this with you. This is one of my favorite tools to use when quilting to get super straight lines. So if you want to know how to get straight lines on your quilting projects, that's not the patchwork but the actual quilting of your projects together, this is the inexpensive tool that may be perfect for you. You ready to see how it works? Let's get started. Now, Hera Marker is a really funny name for this tool because when I think marker, I think something that's going to leave ink behind. This will actually leave no ink behind, but it will leave a really nice mark, and it's basically like a really fine crease. It also has a point turner on the end. Not all Hera markers have a point turner on the end, but it's always nice to have a multifunctional tool like this. And this one has a nice shape handle for being able to mark lines. So I have this quilt and it's already been basted. I have my 3 layers, and if I want to be able to sew lines along here, let's say I even wanted to do some kind of grid, the way to be able to do a grid would be to be able to do it with my walking foot. But over time you can get a little bit of shift and your lines will be a little bit off. So to be able to make sure that you've got perfect lines all the way along is you grab your Hera marker, and I'm marking 1 inch away from this seam line, and just with a Hera marker I've got a really crisp line right along here. And now I can measure 2 inches away from my seam line, and I can measure 3 inches away from this seam line. Make sure that's straight along this seam as well. And I've created these really tiny creases in the fabric that I'll be able to see at my sewing machine, but that aren't obnoxious. And they'll last. They'll sit in there for a couple weeks, months even, until if I spritz this with water, the fibers will relax again and you won't see them anymore. But it's a great way to leave little crease lines that are super sharp, and I don't have to worry about trying to erase them away later. There are these lines that I can follow when I'm doing my quilting. If I want to keep making more lines, I can see the line just well enough through my ruler to be able to make another line as well. So I can go all the way along. You can also have a larger ruler so that you can continue to measure from one point all the way out to make all of your lines. And that's what a Hera marker is and how you can use it to mark your quilts. Game changer, right? I'm so excited to share the Hera marker with you. If you want to grab a Hera marker, go down in my description box and I have links for you on different Hera markers so that you can find one that fits your budget and that can ship right to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. As always, the comments box is for you. I am looking for your comments, so please leave any comments down in the comments box and share this video with anyone who you think might enjoy it. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and then hit the bell so that you know every time I have a new video for you. Thanks so much, my quilting friends, and I'll see you right here real soon.